Rafting the Chattooga River and hiking down into the Tallulah Gorge were the goals for this trip into northeast Georgia and South Carolina. Good morning, and I am here from Tallulah Gorge State Park Campground, and I thought I'd give you a little bit of a campground review of this place because it really is quite nice. We're in campsite 12, which is a great little isolated site, really. There's nothing directly next to us on either side. Now, just down the hill, we do have a major highway. That's about the only real negative I can say about the whole thing. You can have fires in the fire pits that they do provide at each campsite, which is a nice plus. You have nice bathroom facilities, as well as showers and laundry, with access trails to all of the Tallulah Gorge attractions. Now, I've actually been to Tallulah Gorge State Park a couple of times with family and friends. Each time I've kind of wanted to go down to the gorge floor. The park gives about 100 permits a day to do it. However, the water levels have to be low enough. And unfortunately, both mornings when we tried to do it, the water levels were too high and they didn't release any permits. So we didn't get a chance to do this one. But it's still amazing views to be seen from all around the gorge rim and around some of the trails surrounding the gorge. Well, this morning we are going out on the Chattooga River, which I've not been to before, so it should be fun. They're class 2-3 river with a class 4 at the end. And we're here at Wildwater Ltd. and here we go. The Chattooga River was designated as a National Wild and Scenic River in 1974 and is free-flowing, not restricted by dams. There are only a few whitewater companies allowed to utilize the river, and they operate under guidelines that limit the number of rafts on the river each day. This means you won't see the kind of crowds that sometimes plague other rivers. On top of that, National Forest surrounds the Chattooga, so there's no roads or facilities within about a quarter of a mile of the water. We had to walk our rafts down a long dirt path just to get to the river.